It's a rainy day here in Baguio. You see that? Look at this too.
Oh wait.
Hello and welcome back sa akin channel. Marjorie Barreto, Rich at Leon binisita si Julia Barreto sa Baguio City. Ang aktres na si Julia ay nagkaroon ng day off sa kanyang shoot. Kaya naman nagpa siya sina Marjorie na puntahan ito sa Baguio para makasama ito na kahit ilang oras lang. Sa video nga, pansin ang saya ni na Marjorie dahil muli na naman silang magkakasama. Dinig pa na saad niya na lucky sila dahil sa weather. Makikita kasi na umuulan sa Baguio kaya naman mas lalo nilang may enjoy ang kanilang pananatili doon. Narito at ating panuorin ang kabuuan ng video pero bago yan, mari po kayong mag-subscribe para laging updated sa iba pang kaganapan.
Hey, it's a rainy day here in Baguio. You see that? Look at this too.
Oh wait, there's a copyright. Smile.
Ang sarap. It's Julia's day off.
Wow.
Julia's free day, so we thought of randomly going up to Baguio at 5 in the morning to spend some time with her. So just a quick trip to spend time with her and go back home, but we're lucky with the weather. This ice, that's ice. The freshest sashimi at Chaya Baguio. Happy birthday!